Great students make great employees when they understand what's expected of them from the workforce. The Levy County Schools career and technical education programs get students off on the right foot by providing a sound foundation for future success.
The Agriculture Biotechnology program provides hands-on experience for students interested in pursuing a career in farming. Students learn basic agriculture skills before moving into courses that focus on scientific experiments, conducting genetic investigations, recognizing and following quality control procedures, and demonstrating tissue culture techniques using precise and highly technical equipment. Industry tours and demonstrations throughout the region provide ample opportunity to experience farming in the field. Students also earn college credits and participate in leadership events through the Florida Future Farmers of America.
To learn more about our programs and how they can help you get on the path to success, contact the Levy County Schools Career and Technical Education Program.